Hey guys, Barry and I came to our morning walk in our park, and he can't wait for me to throw the ball. It's coming to 10. We're gonna play here a little. And then I have an appointment at 11, and then I have things to do, and hopefully another workout yoga later. Hope so. Having my matcha. It's not full to the top, it's full to the top here. It's huge, I know. And we will continue for the rest of the day, eating nothing. I am allowed to one cappuccino later, and then I'll eat when I'm really hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat yet, so find out. Follow me.